Alright, it's not raining and it's Thursday morning. First train of the day coming here in Hamilton, and we have a wind advisory today. So, probably going to hear a lot of wind noise. Can't do nothing about it. They're talking 40, 50 mile an hour today, so it's going to get real windy here shortly. Thought the local was coming on the other track, but he must have only came down so far. Yeah, the temperature is going to drop all day too. It's dropped 10 degrees since I left my house an hour ago. We're in the low 40s right now. Well, that was a shorty, but it's still a good mixed manifest. Well, I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. We did, or we will, I guess I should say, since I'm filming this on Wednesday. But yeah, I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving, and well, we'll hang around here a while. Oh, here comes the local now. I see his headlight up there. I guess he was waiting on that train to pass, so I guess we'll just keep on filming here. He's only got 36 axles, so it's got 8 cars. Yeah, here he comes. Go over here to the gas station and get me a coffee. Looks like we got the caboose in here too. It looks like he might have maybe 2 customers. He probably won't be gone long. He'll come back. All right, I'm gonna jump back in my car and wait on the next one, so hang around. got us to southbound now, Norfolk Southern, so he'll be going down to Newcastle. Looks like it's a mixed manifest. It is clouded up. I think we got rain coming in here. Get a good echo up here. Buffer car, second car back. Let's use that on tanker trains. Oh, see him changing tracks here. They go around the curve down there. Supposed to get real windy here in about the next hour or so. I think it's going to be sooner than that from the way it feels, though. Picking up right now. Ouch. Could be a long one because I didn't hear the axle count go off when it got here, so this might be a 2-mile train, I don't know. Old railroad ties. Probably going to a power plant, they'll burn them up. Woo. Chicago and Northwestern car there. Now Union Pacific. But we got a DPU in here somewhere. I believe I hear a rumble coming. And a ballast car. Must be getting close to the end. He's picking up speed now. Yeah, that's different. Wow. And there he goes. Heading down towards Cincinnati. Now he's back on his tracks. That's down to Newcastle. NF. See how long it takes those gates to go up. Those gates have more problems. They'll either go up really quick or they stay down a long time like they're doing right now. The train's long gone and nothing's coming. There he goes. All right, I'm gonna get back in my car because this wind is cold and wait for the next one. So we'll see what we get. Goes goes the Connersville local. Maybe not. That might be M360. Yeah, the wind must have kept me from picking the defect detector up, so whoop. I'll just drive over here and get it. So we'll do a long distance shot. Crossing Martin Luther King Boulevard now and heading towards Glendale, coming off the Indy sub. Yep, you got that train right there, plus the northbound version, which is M360. That would be 361 going through now. Amtrak and the two Connersville trains. That's all that runs on that line except for an occasional extra or something like that. Wish I would have heard it on the defect detector. I would have loved to have gotten this one coming across the bridge. Yeah, I don't know. Those look like trash cars. That might be Connersville. I bet it is. It's unusual to see some of the other cars that were on there, though. Normally he just has tank cars, covered hoppers, and the trash cars. But he did have a couple extra kind of looking things today, too. Nope, I was wrong. That's Connersville. All right, well, we'll get back over here by the Toledo sub, see what happens. All right, we got NS26C coming here. I heard them on the radio. Walk across the street here, we'll get a better view. Apparently he's been sitting for a while because I didn't see him go through on the Glendale cameras. They must have did a crew change or something. He must have went through a few hours ago and they just stopped them. That wind. Kind of surprised he hasn't started speeding up yet. It looks like he is now. All right, there we go. All right, folks, that's going to do it for part one. Hopefully there will be a part two. I got a dentist appointment this afternoon, so I don't know how much longer I'm going to be up here, but hopefully get 3 or 4 more and I can get a second part. So hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. And hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. And we'll hopefully catch you in part 2 here. So see what happens. Have a great day.